Welcome back, Chart Addicts. Make sure to click like and subscribe for more amazing content. If you haven't already grabbed your tickets to the FX Summit 2022 conference, make sure to grab them in the link below. Grab your tickets before they sell out. See you there.
So the first pair that I want to look at today is AUDCAD. Really enticed by the structure overall. You guys can see we're on the daily time frame right now, and we're testing a daily zone where we've reacted multiple times in the past. Every time we've tested as support or as resistance, we've gotten some reaction. So you guys can see we've tested as resistance, support, and now as new resistance, and we're giving huge daily rejection and scaling down to lower time frames. We're getting rejection on the hourly time frames as well. So 12-hour and I believe the 11-hour. So if price holds below this zone, I can see price come down to this area here, which would be my TP1, and down to this area here. This looks like a nice area. I believe it was the potential right shoulder, inverted right shoulder, excuse me. So I'm looking for a sell down and potential long back up. We'll see how we react down here, but head and shoulders, shift, break of previous areas of I guess supply and demand, and we're testing as resistance. We're getting rejection. So overall, this is looking nice to me. We want to get in now to cover stop loss. I'm seeing about 30 pips. If you want to get above previous swing, 45 pips. Final TP, I'm seeing about 100. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to my trade of the week. Here is the aftermath of this AUDCAD setup we were looking at. If you hopped on last night's call, you guys know we're looking for sells at this right shoulder. After this shift in momentum, we pull back to this 61 fib area, huge rejection, which enticed us to get into this trade. Stop loss above the wick. TP1 was the neckline, and just looking to the left, we saw that price was creating inverted head and shoulders. So this was a nice target area for our TP2. You guys can see the candles ended up closing nice, engulfing almost every candle to the left, which enticed us to hold. And you guys can see we had some further follow through to get us to our final target.
The bearish structure has been respected for a while, you know, starting from here, nice, like sort of like a little bit of a head and shoulder right there. You know, we have lower highs created and lower lows being broken. You know, we kind of stalling here at a massive support area, but we still have a lower high. So the daily is still looking mad bearish. Notice that we have on the 4 hour, we have, you know, it's essentially the same thing. Lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. This candle right here broke and closed below all these bodies right here. Look at all these bodies, you know? So that is saying a lot. That nice push yesterday was crazy, you know? So, and then obviously after a nice push in the market, after you see a nice significant move in the market, you're gonna see some type of correction. The market needs to rest. So people start buying and, you know, essentially we move prices up. But, you know, true direction is bearish. So after this nice push that broke, this candle that broke below the support right here and closed below that support, I'm looking for a sell opportunity, waiting for the pullback and continuation. Essentially what I'm looking for, it's a retest to that exactly at the same area, 48,000. And I'm targeting this first TP, second TP, and ultimate target will be somewhere around this area. If we break below it, then we'll find more buying, more selling opportunities, right? Stop loss goes above this previous high.
All right, welcome Chart Addicts. This is Stefano right here, aka Badass Trader, and we are reviewing our Bitcoin trade that we sent out last week. Essentially, we're looking for the continuation from this downtrend, and we're looking for a retest of this previous resistance. So we set a pending order right up there at that same particular level. We're waiting for that double top, and then essentially our order triggered, and it's immediately put us into profit and hit our first TP. We did a slight pullback and continue going with momentum. As you guys can see, we hit TP2 and ultimately we hit TP3, which is a total of 2,500 points. 2,500 points, you guys. So beautiful trade overall.
On these levels right here, these are my cheat codes, right? So 1787, we have deeper structures. 1800 is a nice structure area, which we have previous resistance turns to support again, then we can potentially reject this area right here. So This is the 4-hour chart. So this is where I would be looking for buying opportunities at the structure area. I know people, level is a level of structure. Notice that I do have my alert here, and then it's looking like prices are coming down here. So as soon as prices come back down here, you're gonna wait for that rejection and the double bottom to form. We have a nice Fibonacci, but if I am going to enter at 1780s, I'm sorry, 1800s and 1798s, then I will be targeting this level as first TP, which is my 62%, then my 50%, and ultimately my 23% roughly out there. So I do have my cheat codes right here. So 1820, this is my areas so I can potentially target. All right, welcome Chart Addicts. We are reviewing our gold trade. Our gold signal is popping. Gold is flying. We just matched TP1 for 70 pips, TP2 for 125 pips, and we go and we keep them running. Pretty simple trade. We're waiting on the double bottom right here. As explained earlier on my premium, ultimate target for this trade will be 1820, which is, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna hit that area. We do have a massive reaction here. So at this point in particular, I think that we may see some sort of reversal here, and we're coming back down to this lower structure area. So maybe 1820, let's get it. Gold just matched our target. We took gold, we took an entry at 1800s, exactly at 1800s, exactly what we needed to see yesterday. Our analysis lined up